Hey everyone, welcome to another episode of OCD Hi-Fi Squirrel. What we have here is a upgraded power strip. I guess it's, one made in Asia, I believe. What does that say? Wheezy. I don't know. Your guess is as good as mine. Anyways, we are taking a look at this. Look at that. Oops. Didn't mean to do that there, Freddy. Toasted. I guess that was from the guy my client bought it from or gave to him or something. But nonetheless, this was sent in to me to take a look at. And he wants me to upgrade it. It's kind of funny. He just sent it. He didn't even ask. The thing just showed up at my door. Oh, yeah, I'm sending you something. Like, yeah, it'd be nice if you let me know. Anyways, so this is a typical what you see in an upgraded AC power strip. It is a big chunk of aluminum. This lid is carbon fiber, but that's just a sheet of carbon fiber on top of a piece of milled aluminum. I'll take this off and you can see, there it is. Carbon fiber, milled aluminum, pretty nice chunk of metal. And then this whole thing, that's a billet. So this is like a whole block of aluminum. And so that's what you're seeing there. This thing is really heavy. It will stop vibration dead in its tracks. It's not going to vibrate. It's not going to resonate at all. By the way, excuse the way my mouth sounds. Went to the dentist today and got some work done, so my speech sounds weird. Anyways, okay, so of course he wants me to replace these duplex receptacles. Well, as you can see, okay, it's a chunk of aluminum, so that's a good start because the thing's not going to vibrate. What we have in there, boy, it's anybody's guess. That's the ground feed that goes right through that block of, it looks like ferrite to me. It comes out of the IEC, goes into that block of ferrite, comes out of there and goes up, and you can see it daisy chains through the duplexes on the ground lead, or the ground lug. So, and then this is like a silver round wire. It looks like solid core silver round wire. And that goes down to the IEC as well. Okay, so a couple things. Okay, I can tell you quickly how anybody doing this at home can make your power strips sound better. Okay, how you can mod these things and how you can upgrade these. First thing is, see how this is daisy chained? That means each receptacle pulls off the one next to it. Lame. You know what that means? That means this guy's power, when he's got to get the current after this guy. He's got to drink his water after this guy drinks. After this guy drinks, he gets what's left. So the bottom line is, any current, whatever current you got here, so we got 15 amps available to us. He's going to pull some. He's going to pull some. This guy's going to get what's left over. So this receptacle. This one gets the shaft. He has the worst of the three. This guy is the sweet position because he's number one. So he gets the most amount of current readily available right there at the IEC. Okay, the way that we wire ours, okay, here's one of our power strips. Here's one upside down. I don't have one wired to show you, but we do home runs, okay, to every single receptacle. The home run goes back to that IEC. Now, that means that, okay, and the other thing, too, okay, check out these, okay, there's only one screw for two of the receptacles. If you look at the Furutech, those have, and I said it with a Japanese accent, that's right, Furutech. And it's got the two screws there, okay? So that means one screw for each of the receptacles. We take full advantage of that, and I'll wire those each with a home run. So there's a home run on every one of these screws. That's 6 per side. That's 12 home runs in the Virastar power block. That runs back to the IEC. Every single one of them terminates into the IEC. This one's daisy chained. It's typically what they do. And it starves the outside guy for current while the other two enjoy the feast. So that's the first thing you can do. Then this is good, a silver wire. You could do that, which is a good idea. And then we're going to replace these, of course, with the Furutech GTX NCF R, D, whatever. There's too many letters in there. With these puppies, they're really sweet. They not only is it, it's really nice copper, plated copper, solid copper, but they're really nice grip on them, and then the plastic there is filled with the minerals and so forth, ceramic and stuff, so that they don't vibrate in the body of the thing itself. It's we tap that one, maybe it sounds a little hollow. Those sound pretty dead when you tap them. The next thing we'll do for this guy, because we really want to soup him up, is inside this little tub here, we're going to fill it with some of our proprietary minerals. Where are they? Okay, so see that right there? Okay, that is proprietary minerals from the earth. They are all minerals that do something in the presence of electromagnetism. Okay, that's the magnetic force that you got surrounds these things. They will actually activate certain elements in the periodic table that will, some of them vibrate when they're in the presence of electromagnetism. Some of them become magnetic, like they're not normally magnetic, but when they are in the presence of it, they become magnetic. Some of them they just do a lot. They do different things. So some of them are the ones that vibrate are the piezoelectric, and then there's the ferromagnetic and the ferromagnetic. See, I can't even say it, man. Ferromagnetic and damn it, I'm losing it right now. Well, anyways, forget about it. Look it up, man. I don't need to tell you. Okay, so there's that's what this thing is. Okay, so we're gonna mod this thing up, make it all nice, and then send it back to our buddy down in I won't say what state because it'll give it away. But anyways, so that's that. So that's an easy way for you guys to upgrade your power strip, is keep it from vibrating by either using a big block of, and you can buy these chassis on eBay. You can just buy the empty chassis like this, and for maybe 50, 60 bucks, and it's a huge chunk of aluminum, and then you get it here, and then you put in your own Footatex in here, and then wire it yourself, and you don't have to spend the thousands of dollars, and it's pretty good. It's better than you could buy at a store, let's put it that way, than at Home Depot. So, and then you get, look, these guys even put Footatech in there, which is kind of cool, but that's the inlet. So they put Footatech down there, they put Oyaide up here, but this one doesn't look too. Oh no, this is not Oyaide. This is Nikon, which is the company that makes Oya. But these could be, who knows? This is from, actually it's got that name on it, so maybe it's not a knockoff. These are probably good parts, But anyways, so that's the power strip. That's how to mod one up and get some good performance gains out of it. And that's it. I'm not going to go any further because I'll just end up talking my head off. All right, everybody, have a good one.